Hello you guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be using Jamboard and we are going to use this area model that you can see right here to find the product of 52 times 23. Let's just hop right in it then. So I'm going to break up 52 into two parts right now. Well, I'm going to start with 50 on this side and then I'm going to do 2 right here. Just a little breakup thing. Kind of helps me with my math. I suggest it to all those kids out there watching. 20. And then I do a 3. Okay, so let's just start the multiplication. So 20 times 50. Well, I know 2 times 5 equals 10. Add the 2 zeros. 1,000. 1,000. And then let's do 20 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So add the 0 and 40. And then 3 times 50. Well, 3 times 5 equals 15. So then just add the 0 up from the 50 and 150. Next, let's do the final one. 3 times 2. Okay, well, I know that I always know my times 2s, so this is going to be an easy 6 for me. And then I'm going to do all of this right here. Okay, so let's start by placing down the 1, 0, 0, and then 0. Oh, and you guys, if you didn't know that this is my partial products little place, it honestly helps me out with my math. I really suggest it for all those kids. And then the hundreds, well, 150. So 150. Then 0. And then the final 10, 40. Okay, so 40. And then 0. Wait, actually, I think I've done this a little bit wrong. It's supposed to put not a 0 at the end. Okay, and then the 6 from right here. Now that we've written down all of our partial products, we shall add them together. 1,000 plus 100, 1,100. And then 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 90. Because you just add the 0 from them, and yeah, basically 90. And then, well, now we can start adding in the 1 as the 100 in the 100s place, because we know that it can't change. So now we just change this question mark into a 6, and and then we have our final answer, 1,196. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye.